Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get traveler's fruit seed and grow a garden. Okay guys, to get the traveler's fruit seed, you need to have at least 32 coins. And after you have 32 coins, you can go to the harvest shop and you can click on show me the harvest shop. Okay, and here you'll be able to buy the traveler's fruit seed. As you can see, we need 32 summer coins. Okay, and mine is not enough to buy this traveler's fruit seed, so I need to gain more summer coins. Okay guys, to get the summer coins, we need to participate in summer harvest event. The more points we get, the more summer coins we will earn. Okay, so you need to join the summer harvest event for many times until you get 32 summer coins, and you will be able to buy the traveler's fruit seed. And for your information, that this traveler's fruit seed is not always in stock, so you need to keep checking whether this seed is ready or not. And when it's ready, you need to buy it as soon as possible, because maybe the other player will buy it, and then it's really hard to get this traveler's fruit seed. So you need to keep updating this summer harvest shop. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!